How to turn off sound effect in Adventure Escape Mysteries game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are on an Adventure Escape Mysteries journey and wondering how to turn off the in-game sound since you want to play quietly, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the game, and the first thing you can do, which is the easiest and doesn't require any rocket science, is to just go ahead and lower the volume on your device and keep it to 0. Right after you lower the volume, you can play the game without any sound effect. But if you want to listen to music on your other device, or if you want to turn off the music and sound effect from the in-game settings, then once you open up the homepage of Adventure Escape Mysteries, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Now from the menu that appears on the left, go ahead and drag the slider of music and sound towards the left and keep it to minimum or 0. Right after you do that, no matter if you turn on the volume of your device, you can play the game without any sound effects or music. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.